Adab everyone, welcome to the 7th lesson of our Urdu language learning series. Urdu and Arabic are occasionally mistaken for each other. Let's have a look at how similar these two languages really are. Arabic is written in the Arabic script and has 28 letters. Urdu is written in the modified Perso-Arabic script and has 38 letters. Although the script employed for Urdu is based on the Arabic script, these two languages couldn't be more different from each other. Arabic is a member of the Afro-Asiatic language family. Urdu belongs to the Indo-European language family. Arabic has existed for nearly 2 millennia. Urdu has been around for 6 to 800 years. Arabic is written in the Naqsh style. Urdu is written in the more fluid Nastaliq style. Although Urdu has borrowed thousands of loanwords from Arabic, native speakers of these two languages cannot hold a conversation together because most of these words weren't acquired directly but indirectly through another language, Persian, which has resulted in different spellings and pronunciation of the same words. In the previous lesson, we had learnt about these letters, and in this lesson, we will learn about these 4 letters. So let's get started. The 26th letter of Urdu is Fe. It sounds just like F. Then comes Badi Qaf. It has a deep Ka sound which is very close to the sound of Q. The 28th letter is Chhoti Kaf. It has a Ka sound. 29th letter is Gaf. It has a Ga sound. Fe, Badi Qaf, Chhoti Kaf and Gaf are connectors. Chhoti Kaf and Gaf have two initial and median position form. These are their initial, median and final position forms. Chhoti Kaf and Gaf have this form when they are followed by either alif or lam. For the rest of the letters, Chhoti Kaf and Gaf have this form. Now let's learn some words. Fe, re, dal, fard, individual. Fe, choti kaf, re, fikr, concern or thought. Badi kaf, zer, seen, to, kist, installment. Fe, re, badi kaf, fark, difference. Chhoti kaf, sheen, sheen, kashish, attraction. Re, sheen, choti kaf, rashk, envy. Fe, khe, re, fakhr, pride. Fe, re, sheen, farsh, earth or floor. Khe, sheen, choti kaf, khushk, dry or withered. Gaf, sheen, te, gasht, patrolling. Re, badi kaf, swad, raqs, dance. Jeem, fe, alif, jafa, oppression or injustice. Badi kaf, badi he, to, कहत, famine. Gaf, re, dal, sheen, gardish, revolution or circulation. Chhoti kaf, seen, re, te, kasrat, exercise. Fe, to, re, te, Fitrat, nature or temperament. Chhoti Kaf, Gaf, Alif, Re, Kagar, edge. Chhoti Kaf, Alif, Ghain, Zal, Kagaz, paper. Badi Qaf, Re, Alif, Re, Qarar, tranquility or peace. Chhoti Kaf, Re, Khe, Te, Karakht, hard or rigid. Sheen, Fe, Alif, Fe, Shaffaf, transparent or clear. Alif Mad, Fe, Te, Alif, Be, Aftab, sun. Be, Re, An, Chhoti Kaf, Seen, Baraks, opposite. Gaf, Pesh, Seen, Te, Alif, Khe, Gustakh, arrogant. Gaf, Ze, Alif, Re, Sheen, Guzarish, request. Badi hai, Badi Qaf, Alif, Re, Te, hakarat, contempt or disdain. Badi hai, Fe, Alif, Zo, Te, hifazat, protection. Alif, Te, Fe, Alif, Badi Qaf, ittifaq, coincidence. In the next lesson, we will learn about these four letters. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.